I don't know if I told y'all I bought it in that last one. Uncover this shit. Yeah. It ain't really too much I gotta do to get it running though. I'm finna hook up this fucking bottle I got. I'm finna hook up some gas line. I already got a kill switch right there. I still gotta hook up some. I don't have any brakes on this motherfucker. I gotta figure something out with that. What else I gotta fuck with on here? Oh, I gotta attach the exhaust. I went to Harbor Freight and got a little cheap ass welder. I did a little weak ass weld on some shit. It's my first time though. It's ugly as fuck, but all I gotta do is hold. You dig it? I ain't gonna show y'all too much, nigga, cause I know motherfuckers get to hating. Yeah. Bring this shit over here. Yeah, so let me show y'all how I'm finna have this motherfucker on here. He finna be on there like this. This motherfucker long too. I don't give a fuck. This motherfucker gonna be on here like this. Ain't that bad. Shut this motherfucker down. What are you looking for? Alright, so I'm finna take this motherfucking board. This piece of little board I cut out. Finna use it as like a little damn, I don't even know what this shit called. A little cover right here. That's what I'm finna use it as. But I gotta mark it and drill a couple of holes in it so I can mount it on here some kind of way. Then I'm gonna have to try to make something to hold this damn bottle from bouncing around. I don't think I'm gonna really be worried about it today though, because I'm trying to take it for a ride. I ain't got time for all that right now. Oh, mamas. So yeah, I'm finna mark him up. Let's see where them holes at. Yeah, I'm gonna pull him off of here so I can put some damn holes in this motherfucker. I know one thing, that shit gonna work for now. And I forgot I still gotta mount some fucking pegs on this motherfucker. Oh shit. I left this shit out. Oh, okay, my bad. Don't even go in there. Wow. That's gonna go right there just like that. So I got the fuel filter and the turn line installed. Got this little rubber piece, came off the old tank on there. Now all I'm finna do is install some of this fuel line running from here to here. I really don't know what I'm gonna use to mount this down yet. That's what I still gotta figure out. But yeah, I'm finna run some line here to that carb, and the fuel system gonna be done. You know, dig? And I'm finna use some of these off of an old carb to connect it, cause alright, so we got this all done. We got the holes in there already. Move all this shit. I'm finna zip tie this down real quick for now. So I'm trying to ride. I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some gas, to the gas station. So yeah, that's all done. What else? Fuck, I gotta put the exhaust back on. I forgot about that. Alright, so we got the exhaust on there. Look at it, that shit look crazy as fuck. We got the fuel line hooked up. All this, man, probably gonna get redid anyways. I'm trying to get this motherfucker out on the road before it get dark. So yeah. Now I'm gonna have to go to the motherfucking gas station because I got some mix, but the mix I got is for the Go Pit, and it's 25 to 1. This one I think I'm gonna probably need to run like a 32 to 1 or something in here. That's what I seen when I look. Oh shit, look at this shit, I didn't even notice. Got the fucking fuel line all over here. God damn it. Oh man, that ain't gonna work. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Hold on, I got to undo that. Pow. Now we gonna have to tie this shit up some kind of way so it don't get burnt by this damn exhaust. You get it? Yeah, so I'm gonna go get some gas and come back and start this motherfucker up. Come back and start this motherfucker up and see what it sound like. I don't know what it's gonna sound like with this shit on. Alright, we went and got some gas and got him all gassed up. This gonna be the first start, man. Let's see what it sound like. Let me get this up out the way. It's gonna be that first start thing. See what it sound like. Let's go and prime him up. Alright. Choke on. Let's get that choke on, man. Put my little janky ass cap on there. Damn, I ain't even got this. I forgot about that shit. I don't matter though. I'm trying to hear this thing, man. Let's do it. Uh-oh. Kill switch. You're gonna have to set right here for now. See what it do. I think I gotta mess with this idle and all that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he died when I took the choke off. Costly. I don't know what's going on. I think I might have to go fuck with the car. But yeah, that motherfucker started. You heard what it sounded like. So yeah, man, your boy tired, man. I might fuck with a little bit more tonight. And if I get it running right tonight, I'm gonna go take that motherfucker for a ride. I don't know if I'm gonna record nothing because it's dark. But I sure will let y'all see that motherfucker the next day. You get it? So don't forget to comment, man. Like, subscribe. That's it, bruh. I'm out.